Good afternoon, students. Uh, Last time we have started our third chapter, which is query, forms, and reports. In this chapter, we are going to study what are queries, how to generate forms, and how to create a report of our tables. We have already started this chapter, and our next topic in this chapter is a query window. Uh, we have studied what is a query. I will give you little bit a revision. A query is a type of question which we ask our database to give some answer. It is a question to be asked with our database. Database means MS Access. So we have studied how to create a query, and now after adding a query to a table, now look at here what does query window contains. So query window divides it into two parts. The query window which appear is to be divided into two parts. First part is field list area and second part is design grid. Look at what is it. The field list area. The top of the query window is called the field list area. Uh, this is our query window. So it is divided into two parts. The top part, the topmost part is called field list area. Okay. Here we have already added a query uh, in which a table columns, various columns of the tables are displaying over here. Look at here what is written in this. The top of the query window is called field list area. In field list area, the table and the query can be inserted and displayed that you want to query. In this field list area, you can add table to which you have to ask some questions. You can add table and queries to the field list area by dragging them from the database window. You can drag the table from the database window also. Okay. Now second part is design grid. The lower part is design grid. Below the field list area is the design grid where you can field the query and also specify the criteria. Criteria means condition. On which condition you are going to ask the query. Design grid is similar to a spreadsheet with columns. Each column in the grid represent a single field in the query result. So there are various columns. There are various columns in the design grid. Each column will represent a field. Okay. So you can ask the question according to conditions. Let us understand the design grid. First one is field. Display the field names from the table. So the first value is field. This value is field. This value. This is field. It display the field name from the table. Whatever the table you have added here, it will contain the names of all the fields. Okay. When you when you click on this drop down arrow, so it will display the name of the field. Table. Here is the table. This second one. The table display the name of the table. Sort. Sort means to arrange the data. Sort is a type of filter which either ascend the data or in descend the data. It is optional. Show. It display check mark which indicate that this field will be visible when the query is run. The show option will give you the choice which column value you want to display or which column value you don't want to display. If you tick a checkbox right, then the value of that particular field is displayed, otherwise it will not, it will be ignored. Criteria. Criteria is a type of condition on the basis of which the record will be filtered. Criteria is a type of conditions according to which the data of the table is to be filtered and it will be displayed, and the filtered data will be displayed. Or or sets multiple criteria in a query. If you have more than one criteria, then you can set, here is a or which in which you can specify another conditions. So this is the main these are the main features of design grid in which you can filter your data according to different conditions. Now, how to use a query? Query display different records from a table that meet a certain criteria to use a query. It means query uses different records. Records means different tables, or records means different row from a table that meet a certain criteria. It means if you are chosen a table and in this particular table there are several records. Several records means several rows. Then the query is uses a type of criteria, means a type of filter conditions according to which not all the records of the table are displayed, but some filtered data will be displayed. We have to add field, specify the criteria in the design grid, and after that run the query. Follow the given steps. When you set all this, then you have to run the query. How to run the query? First step, in the design grid, select the required field from the field row. Look at here. In the field, we have selected some. We have selected the various fields. First field is IP, so IP is selected. Second field is address, address is selected. Then other one is pin code, pin code is selected. Then last one is it is not visible. This is state. So we have selected this, and then select the order of sorting in the sort row. In the sort row, the second value is the table name, details, 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 and details. Then in which way you want to sort, either in ascending or descending, you can select the conditions. Then specify the criteria row. For example, type Uttar Pradesh under the state field and save the query. Under the state, you can specify the criteria. You have written the state is Uttar Pradesh. So it means the detail table, the result will display only those addresses which have state Uttar Pradesh. Other state will be ignored. Click the design tab, result group, and run option to see the result. Now click on the design tab, then there is a group, result group, and then run option. So it is design tab, this is the result group, and this is the run option. By this you can run the query. It will display the result according to your filter or according to your conditions. So the displayed result will be here, ID, address, pin code, and state. Look at here, it will display all those addresses which have state Uttar Pradesh. Other states results will not be displayed. So the query will not give all the records of the table, it will give your filtered data. So this is a type of tool which Access gives us the facility. Now another topic is forms. Form is a graphical representation of table. It helps us to add, delete, or update record in a table. Now if you want to make some changes in the table, or if you want to manipulate some values in the table, so form is a user friendly window which provides you features to add, delete, or update record in a table. It allows us to enter custom information based on that information, perform a task. It will give some custom information. On the basis of that information you can perform your task. Forms supply navigation through information entered into an Access database and allow the user to easily manage data. It will give you navigation. Navigation means a proper way through which you can access or manage your data easily. Within your Access database you can view all of your form object in the database window. And with the help of this form object you are able to manage all the tables in your database. How to create a form? Follow the given steps. First, select the table, select the particular table. Okay, then click on create tab, then click on create tab. So our table is already selected, then click on create tab. Click on forms from the form group. Here various groups are there, then this is the form group, so click on forms group. The form result will be displayed in the datasheet view. If you want to save your form, click on save button in the quick access toolbar. When you click on this form group, you can save the form with the help of quick access toolbar by saving the form and by giving the name of that form. Click on OK button after saving the form. Navigation bar can be used to move through the records. This navigation bar you can move through the records. How after saving, how form will display? Look at here. Three different types of views in which a form is displayed are. First one is form view. You can view data of the form in this view but cannot make any modification in the design. If a form is displayed in form view, you can only view the form. You cannot change the data. Layout view. This view closely resembles what the form will actually look like to the user. Design view. It displays only the structure of the form, which can be modified and customized as per the requirements. So design view will display the data and you can modify or change the data in the form. So these are the three different types of view in which a form will display. First one is form view, layout view, and design view. Now our another tool of MS Access is reports. Reports are printable summaries of the information in your Access table and queries. Report enable you to format your data in an attractive and informative layout for printing or viewing on screen. So report is a tool of MS Access in which you can generate outputs by making hard copies. Hard copies means you can take printouts of your various values of the forms of the table. Reports are often used to represent a big picture overview, highlighting main facts and trends. You can display not all the data of the tables, but you can take the printouts by applying some filter options, or you can use reports in a very precise manner. Report merely present the data. They do not alter the underlying data in the tables. Reports generally just only present the data, but it depends on your design capability that how to display the data. Each time a report is opened, Access display the most recent data. Whenever you open the report, it will display the recent data, whatever is to be stored in the table. Now, how to create a report? Information in a report can be sorted, queried, formatted, calculated, or summarized. The report can be based on either a table or query. You can generate a report with the help of table or with the help of queries. Now, how to generate a report? Follow the given steps to create a report. First, choose the table. First, select the table, any one of the table from here. Then click on create tab, then click on create tab, then click on report in report group. So here is the report group, then click on this report in the report group. This is the main window. Now the report result will be displayed in the datasheet view. So the report result will be displayed in the datasheet view. If you want to save